see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Ayan na guys, yung ating paper lang.
You gonna get on, huh?
Yan lang yung iniinom ni Johnny. Ako siya ng soft tofu. Good morning guys. Nakaligo lang ako pero hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko. Today is August 1. Pero late nyo ito mapapanood. Hindi mo lang magbibihis ng isusot. Kasi alis kay mamaya. Sutin ko ulit itong aking pajama. Kasi magluluto ako ng breakfast. Wala akong wala akong dalang pambahay. Pajama lang yung pambahay ko nadala. So, sutin ko ulit ito. Tapos mamaya na lang ako magbihis. Ayan, nakapajama na ulit ako. So, ayan. Ito na lang muna ang pambahay ko. Ito yung nabili ko sa Valley Girl. Na-haul ko to sa inyo. Ayan. And, mayroon kami ditong ayan, heater. Kasi yung heater namin dito sa baba, hindi masyadong mainit. Malamig siya. So, inon lang muna namin para maging warm dito sa kwarto. Yung mga bata, yung boys, nandiyan pa sila sa kwarto. Naririnig ko na nag-uusap sila kanina. Tanggalin ko muna yung aking mga ito pa yung toiletry. Ito ko muna dito kasi ang liit ng sink. Baka magkahulog-hulog yung aking mga skincare. Okay. Si Holly, bago ako naligo, alam pa madulas ang mga bata. Si Holly, bago ako pumasok sa bathroom. Dito pa yun si Holly eh. Bakit? Oh, tulog pa. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, Kobe. Siya na lang yung tulog ko. Don't wake her up. I know you're gonna wake her. Si Sophie, gising na siya na lang. Ang cute. Ang cute. Nasaan si Mushi? Si Mushi there? Ayun si Mushi. Oh, hala. Na-suffocate na si Mushi. Best friend, good morning. Sun is up. Morning. We have the same look. Good morning. Good morning. Pareho kami nito naka-purple. Good morning, my love. How's your sleep? How's your sleep? Mommy had a shower.
No, mommy.
I love you too. Is mommy good? You smell good too because of your pabango, and then you had a bath last night.
Did you pull the plug out of the bath?
Yes, I did, Mom.
Is it so hard?
No, it wasn't that hard. Well, it was hard for you. Let's go up. Come on. And nag-upload ako na. Ang hina ng internet dito. So, gamit ko yung aking data. Ayun, nag-upload na ako dito eh. %. Ay, namatay siya. Okay, dalhin ko na to sa taas. Okay, let's go, Baba. Baba, get my phone. My phone. Go, Baba.
Your phone.
No, my phone. Go. Bring my phone, Baba. Come on.
Did you get one? Everyone get one?
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, thank you, Baba. Si John, guys, tsaka si Kyle gumagawa ng simple, lang daw kami, breakfast. Kasi alis nga kami. So, crumpets. Ito. With Vegemite, and cheese. So yan. Si Kuya ayaw yung kumain kasi ang dami niyang kinain kagabi, di ba? Kumain pa siya ng rice. Sak, what are you having? Ayan. Ayan kay Sophie. Ha? Crumpet? Ayan, naglalaro silang cards. And ito yung bungad natin sa umaga dito sa taas. Yan si Kuya, kagabi niya pa yung ginagawa. Ayan. Ang dumi lang ng ano. Ay, ang lamig. Lamig. So, ayan yung ating view. Ayan yung dagat. Tapos, ayan yung car namin. Good morning, neighbors. Good morning. Pasok na tayo kasi malamig. Malamig. Good job, Kuya. Kagabi niya pa tayo yung ginagawa. Tinuruan siya ni daddy niya. Oh. How's your brekkie, Baba? Good? Hmm?
Pick up 3.
You're oily, Papa? Not that one? Fruit bag. Nilak niya si Joe sa labas. Ayun mo, hindi niya pinapapasok si Joe. Ganito silang dalawa. Ganito silang...
You'll sit there and do it the other part. Yeah. So I can go so I can get it. Hello, Jack. Dad giving Jack all over time.
Yeah. Alam niyo pala, yung ano, yung... Kung saan nagsimula yung pagtawag ng Jack, yung papa ni Joe, ang tawag sa kanya Jack. Then since noon, tinatawag na siya ni Joe ng Jack. Tapos ganun din si Jan.
Hey guys.
Oh, Jack, where?
Si Kylie, gumawa siya ng ham and cheese sandwich para mamaya. Kasi alis kami, para yung mga bata, pag nagutom, meron silang pagkain. So, ayan. Ayan yung snacks ng mga bata. Tapos meron kaming donuts. Si Kuya, hindi siya nag-breakfast. Pero ito yung kakainin niya, yung favorite niya. Favorite niya kasi yan. Ako hindi ko okay lang. Yeah, for now. How are you, Baba? You're done? Done breakfast?
I saw 3 down. I was like, yes. He's put a 3 down back on top and then he just. Sorry.
Yeah, you did. Sabi ko sa kanya, huwag siya mag-swear.
14 times.
Kaya no.
Oh yeah, plenty of opportunity.
What's that? Ah, yeah, that's Holly. She's not done with that one.
Don't tell me you got nothing to stop.
Oh my God! You're right, Zach. Why you get it? Ah, all right.
Well, we've got no diamonds. You've got probably every single one.
Back to me.
Now he says it's the time to get rid of
Hey, shut it up.
replace it with somebody.
I mean, put it down.
You know.
Go, Han.
Yeah,
Si Jan, ang dami pang cards. Si Sax, isa na lang.
two play. You can't finish on a reverse.
Save the world.
Dami niyang cards. Isa lang kayo. Sax.
Oh, wait, I need to.
Another one there. Jake.
Dad.
Kaligo na siya, so mag-aayos na rin ako. Come on. Yeah, ligo. Come on, Baba. Get dressed. Come on. Yeah.
Dad.
So, eto yung susuotin ni Holly ngayon.
It's okay, don't vlog me.
Ah, no, I'm not gonna vlog you. Kasi nag-ano na siya, naguhubad na siya. So, ayan, oh. Kasi sobrang lamig.
Vlog.
Why?
But you have to get dressed.
Okay. Dalaga na talaga tong baby ko. Baba, you have to put singlet. Wait, here.
Just don't vlog me.
I'm not.
You can't see me though.
Here. Put singlet first. And, pasusot ko to sa kanya. Ito yung leggings. Okay? Tapos na siya, guys. Oh, your bango. Huwag kalimutan ang bango.
1, 2.
Okay, show daddy now. Pumasok na dito
You
si
put
Jan.
these back.
No, you do it,
You
please.
do it.
Here.
Here.
Where's the other one? Here. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you later.
See you later.
Tapos na ako mag-ayos. And yung ginamit ko sa aking face ay ito yung Chanel na Water Fresh Tint. And sa lips tsaka sa cheeks yung gamit ko ay yung Sun's Face na moon yung shade niya. Tapos magpabango tayo nito. Ito yung Santal 33 ng Le Labo. Okay. And ito yung ginamit ko sa aking kilay, yung Benefit. Ano bang ano niya? 3.5. Tapos yung aking bag, yung backpack, ang ginawa ko sa strap niya ay kinabit ko siyang pa ganun, paslant. Instead na backpack o kaya dito. So, pag ganyan yung aking, ayan, pag ganyan siya. Oh. Tapos, ito pala yung ating OOTD, yung All Saints na white t-shirt. Tapos, ayan, jeans. Tapos, mamaya magsasapatos ako. And, pag sinot natin tong bag, pag ganito ba siya? Pwede naman siya sa likod, pero isusot ko siyang ganito. Ayan. Ayan. So, yan na tayo. Tapos, ito sigurong Tommy yung dadalhin kong jacket. Para all white lang tayo. Halos white yung dala ko ngayon. Halos lahat talaga white. So, ganyan lang. Diba? Yan na. So, mag-medyas na ako din sapatos. Alis na tayo. Ida-drive na pala tayo. Ay, nagpalit ako. Yung jacket na lang yung sinuot ko. Instead yung t-shirt. Kasi si Jan para twinny kami ni Johnny Boy. And yung laptop, ayan. Ang hina ng internet kaya uploading pa rin.
Hot chocolate China.
Good, thank you. Thank you.
Now, how's she going to hear you if you haven't pressed the button?
Ah, sorry. That's why you're looking at me.
She was talking to you then, thinking that I was on the phone.
That's a
And
walkie-talkie.
how can she hear you without you pressing the button?
Well, Jody just told me what button to press, and I'm talking to China, and I was pressing button.
Ginawa na ako ng coffee, hot chocolate ni Kylie pala, guys.
I'm gonna check what I just tagged you and Johnny in on Facebook.
Okay. My train.
Where is it?
It's coming. Where's my baba? You hear that, baba?
There it is.
Ayan na.
There's not even paper.
Papunta na yan ng Bicol. What are you waving? Oh! Oh!
She was waving, the little
Yeah,
girl.
I know.
I waved. Oh.
Si Zach din nag-wave. Did you wave, Zach? Yes.
I didn't even say. I was just copying.
No. Nervous enough.
Punta raw tayo sa Cape Jervis, guys.
Nice hilly.
Maraming siyang gustong puntahan.
Should have done a poo for her, though.
Honey, what are you saying? My
That's what I'm
God!
feeling.
I thought you did already.
Yeah, really nice.
Ang ganda ng view dito, guys. Hindi nyo lang makikita.
Have a
Nakita
look
nyo
at
yan?
that.
Oh, diba? Nag-stop kami, oh. Yun kasi yung dagat, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Mamadali siya, oh. Baba. Baba. Mag-sightseeing tayo, guys. Wala pa tayo sa ano. Doon sa pupuntahan natin. Ganda. It's beautiful. Nice. Oh, send it to me. Ang ganda.
Facebook?
Pictorial kami dito, guys. Ayan yung view. Maganda siya. Ayan. Insert ko yung picture namin.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights.
Sobrang ganda dito, guys. Kaso, hindi nyo naman ma-appreciate. Ayan,
Dairy
farm.
farms,
Tingnan
sorry.
nyo yung farms. Ang dami. Tapos, ang ganda ng grass. Tapos, yung mga bahay. Maingay na naman yung radyo.
I I reckon that when you turn that on, that does this.
Tingnan nyo, oh, napaka-green. Si Holly tulog na. 40 minutes drive yung pupunta natin. Oh, yun ang ganda, oh. May farm, tapos may ang ganda ng farm. Tapos malaking bahay, tapos ang daming cows. Sarap mag-drive dito. Si Jan ay enjoy niya mag-drive. Are you enjoying driving here, Han?
We go when we get back to the ocean.
Yes. Tapos ocean dun sa kabila, mountains dito sa kabila.
Wow, there's Kangaroo Island. Look at that.
Wow! Ganda! Ayan na, dagat na yun.
Now that is sick. That's Kangaroo Island, Ad.
May enjoy nila
Front Rock, isn't it?
yung walkie-talkie nila.
Mate, that looks unreal.
Yes,
Yeah,
Joey.
that's where we went through in the boat. Went between the two of them. Look,
Tapos
wicked.
tingnan nyo, oh. Mga bundok.
Yeah, that's sick. That's unreal.
Yeah, that's see, look at this. This is
That's-
the trip's just paid for itself. That's
Nice.
Kangaroo Island. That's where you can see the ferry going across over there. See the boat?
Yes.
Remember Teacher Lyra?
Yeah.
Well done, darling. She did too.
Yes, baby. Tita Lyra, Tita Race, Tita Kathy. Good job, Baba.
That.
Tingnan niyo ako.
Just wait,
Ayan.
that's
Nag-Instagram. Tapos bababa tayo. Feeling ko mahuhulog na din. Nakabukakan na ako. That's nice. Ganda, diba, guys? Tapos maganda. Personal.
That goes all the way over there. Goes
Yes.
all the big long, big four.
Big four.
That would be good to stay.
Ayan yung dagat, oh. Ang ganda talaga.
Oh look, no clouds.
No clouds. Yeah, nice weather too.
That's bullshit. That is wicked.
Hey Bob,
Yes.
remember Kangaroo Island?
What's that?
This is cool. Here it is.
Lighthouse?
Ganda.
Well, we'll go right out
We
the
must
corner.
have to go back past where he went to the toilet and that to go around the other way, do we?
Yeah, I reckon. That's right. That was a pretty sick bloody view from up there, mate. That was just sick. Look at that.
Hey Dad, we're going
Yeah,
towards
it's
the ferry.
pretty sick, alright. Unreal.
Dad, we're going towards the ferry.
Yeah, I know, mate.
Ganda.
I was hoping the boat's going to come in.
Sobrang ganda, guys. As in.
Toilets.
Hey, you could just went to the toilet here.
Oh, the ferry's here.
A big ferry.
Wait, what are we doing again? Wait, what?
That's a big boat. Is that boat, huh?
Yeah, that's where the...
Where's the cave now?
Honey,
No, it's not the cave.
it's not the cave yet, Zach. Did they take cars, hon, inside?
Yeah, they pull that down and you drive in there.
Ayun, mayroon ako nakita. Ata. Okay.
Looking boat. Can I take one?
Baba muna tayo. And may pa-donut si... And may pa-donut si... Sophie. Ayan. Donut. Can I have one, please? Miss Donut Girl. Thank you. Papunta tong Kangaroo Island. Mag-walking daw muna tayo papunta dito. Tingin-tingin lang ba? Yeah, burn her fat.
Burn a bit, yeah.
Yeah. Look at Zachary, hoy! My God, andun na sila sa bundok. Si Zach, si TJ, and ayun si Kobe, humahabol. Yung girls andun. Kumakain ako ng donut. Slowly, Papa! Doon na sila. Oh. What's that, Han? What? What's that? Magnifying device. Come here! Ay, naku! Holly! It's cold na. Malamig na dito sa park na. Hoy! 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 Hoy, Zachary! Holly, stay here.
Yeah, just go down there that way. Yeah, that
Holly,
way.
stay here.
Always have good grip before you move.
Sophie, that's right, don't.
Now,
Oh,
Zach,
just be
go
careful.
easy on the rocks because they'll be slippery.
That's
Don't
right.
get wet. That's where they live, Joe.
They'd live in, like, there'd be bigger crops than that down there.
Yeah, they'll be living all bloody.
It is a bit like Port Fairy, actually, yeah.
Sophie.
Don't go there, Sophie. Ito na yung
Zach,
boys.
We're going to keep on pointing her up, we're just going to walk here.
Oh, I can see it. Looks so different. Go on there. Oh, you can, look. No different.
Right, I thought it might have been some. So I say the wave break, break, no?
Where's Zachary? Come on. Chloe. That was fun? Yeah? Okay, come on. No, stop. Okay. Pinicture ko dun si Chloe. Insert ko yung mga pictures niya. Ayan. Hindi nyo makita.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way.
Nagda-drive na ulit tayo. And yun na pala yung Cape Jervis na pinunta natin yung may malaking boat. Ngayon naman punta naman tayo sa Rapid Bay. How far, Han? 5 kilometers?
10 to go. 10 kilometers.
10 kilometers pa daw. So, yan. And yung aking uploaded pa rin. 74%.
There's something about you. There's something about the way that you move. Dancing all alone in the pool. You took my heart a little too soon. There's something about you. I like it when you pull me real close. We try to keep each other afloat.
Ayan.
What?
It's dirt. Oh, look, honey. Honey! My God, here you go again.
She wouldn't bag up on
Oh my God.
Dad, no dust came on.
Shit. And I remember having a little bit on my farm once. The council kept hounding me to get rid of it, It's pretty bad shit.
Mate, that is a massive patch of that shit there.
Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda dito mag-drive.
Look at that.
Tingnan nyo yung mountains dun. Oh, hindi nyo kasi makita masyado.
Check them hills now, that looks sick.
Me and Kobe will climb up the hills.
Ayan na yung
I was going to pull up
dagat.
here, Johnny, and just take a photo of that. Kobe wants to take a photo of it.
Alright.
I'll catch you.
Up the top here on this hill.
Dad, I want to...
Nag-stop kami dito kasi ang ganda ng mga bulubundukin. Tingnan nyo, oh. Oh, ayan. Diba?
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights.
Nagpa-picture kami dyan ni Holly and hinaya ko si
Look at all
Jan.
them cows, look, that's how big it is.
I know.
Oh, be
tingnan
seven
nyo.
on boys.
Yeah.
Look out.
Look.
Yes. Look at, oh, ocean. Hills.
That's the Indian.
Nice.
That's the Indian Ocean, isn't it?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's the Indian. No, it's not specific.
Ayan yung dagat, oh. Dito na tayo guys. Ayan na yung dagat and ayun yung jetty. Oh. Okay.
Yeah, that's the
Sige
next
na.
one. Normanville's got that.
Tingnan ko yung picture namin ni Jan. Hindi ko alam. Ang layo ng kuha ni Sak. Yung sa amin ni Holly maganda. Ang ganda ng kulay ng dagat. And baka punta tayo doon. Nakikita niyo yung dalawang butas doon. Yung cave. Cave daw yun eh. Baka puntahan natin. We'll see. Puntahan natin yung cave.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
What did you say, Zach? What did you say? There's a sign. It says danger. So we cannot go in. So baka hindi tayo makapasok kasi may sign. You got it? Kasi doon sa pinakata, meron pang may caves pa doon. Dalawa. Ayun, nakita yung may bulas. Galihan? No. Ayaw pumasok ni Sak kasi raw danger. Siya lang yung nasa labas. Ha? You feel like, Swa? Gana kula? No, come on, let's go. Ayun yung pumasok. Andun na lahat nung kasama namin. Come on, it's alright. Okay. I know, if this gonna collapse, you're the only one gonna survive because we're all going in, okay? You call 911, okay? Joking, just joking. Come on! Pinipilit siya ni daddy niyang pumasok. Come on! Ayaw niya talaga. He doesn't want to, Han! Ayun, nagpa-picture na lang si, pinicture na lang ni Kylie yung mga bata. Except si Zach, ayaw niyang pumasok. Oh, Zach, come here, look at here! Come on! Come on! Zach, I thought you're brave! You're soft! Come on! Come on! Ayan na. Huh? A bat! Yeah, bat! Okay, come on! Yeah, it's alright to get inside! Get inside!
I'm so scared.
He's so bad!
That's it.
Yeah, we see it.
There's
You
no.
can't say nothing, mate. It's
Nothing there. Baba!
Come on, we've got
Nakalabas na kami ng cave and ayan, nagkikik sila ng puti. Si Sak hindi siya nakatagal. What's that, Baba? Crystals from the cave. My next destination.
Then we're in a cove. And
Ayan. May pupunta na naman tayo, guys.
Normanville, that's it. That's
So how many? How many?
back inland.
2 more or 3 more? How many? 3? Tatlo. Tatlo pa daw ang pupunta natin.
Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do. When you next to me.